Good evening, everybody. Today's Sunday, January 19th. About 7 o'clock at night, and we got our second snowstorm of the year, and everything looks beautiful, but me do not like. Anyway, check up on everything. As you can see, the palm boxes are lit up, and everything in there is nice and cozy. And this yucca, nothing affects it. Just shrugs off the cold and the snow like it was nothing. Everything else was nice and cozy in their home. It's the pindo palms in there. Snow is beautiful, but just gonna be kind of glad that when the winter is over. Um, After this storm, we're expecting temperatures in the low single digits all week long. So we're gonna get the coldest temperatures of the year coming up. Tuesday all the way through Friday. High of 20, low of like 9 or 8. Um, but it is what it is. You got to deal with it, and before you know it, 4 weeks, spring will be here. Um, Everything, the palm boxes look beautiful, especially lit up at night. Nice and peaceful. The pool, everything looks barren. That's the Washingtonia Robusta there, nice lit up, nice and cozy. And my needle palm, nothing affects it. She brushes that off like it's nothing. Anyway, we leave you with this one. Have a blessed evening. Take care of yourselves. Stay warm. And God bless. Be well.